we'll start off with that. This is the beginning. Full video is about 9 minutes long, so I just chopped it up to show the best parts. The slide there, I noticed the brakes are a little different. I feel like they fixed them, or brakes are a lot better than the last time I was here. Get him, get him, get him, get him. I'll try. It's alright, we'll get him with the next one. Let's practice a dive bomb. That's what we're here for, here to practice. I'm gonna get this guy. Brakes, I just lift a little on the brakes again. Let's try the outside pace now. Usually never go on the outside here because I always get knocked into that wall right there. That worked. So again, oh look at that, that was nice. I came with the guy that got second place in the championship. So we came out there and he sent me a text message, he wanted to practice. So I actually had an idea to not go to West Palm Beach, which is an hour, well, it would have taken us an hour and a half. But the second track in this place is very similar to what the reverse track would be like. Yay. Very similar to what the reverse track would be like in West Palm Beach. So I'm gonna post a separate video. It will be our practice in track 2. It was just it was a 1v1. I won this race, and I won the next race on the second track. And then on the third race, he ended up following me so he could see my line, and then he won the third race. I'm surprised because he is faster than me. So that's the guy right there in front. I call him Schumy. That's his nickname. So again, P2 in the championship, I'm P3 in the championship. So I decided for the last lap, I figured, let me try to follow him. I wasn't sure at this point if I had won the race or not, but then I did see right there that I'm still number 1. So we'll go around one time and follow him before the race ends. It's morning right now, I'm trying to do this voiceover in one take. I really don't feel like editing anymore. But until next time, this is the last lap right here. And I will be trying to do more voiceovers. P1, baby.